Well, hello, welcome to CLSB Politics. Sean Briscoe speaking. So I'm doing kind of a special collaborative video. Uh, we're going to be talking about the Wisconsin Supreme Court and what all that entails, and kind of the work that we're kind of doing, or why we're doing it, really. So first thing I'd like to give Brad Crowder big shout out. A lot of the work on this was his, and I stole it. So Mad Brad Productions. Here we go. All right, the Wisconsin Supreme Court is it's the highest court in the land, and it's a court of last resort. It's responsible for reviewing all the decisions made by lower courts and plays a crucial role in interpreting state law. You'll find that in most states. The Supreme Court's ruling are final. They interpret the Wisconsin Constitution. Decisions made by the Supreme Court impact various aspects of public policy, a lot of voting, voting rights, labor laws, criminal justice, things of that nature. Structure of the court, 7 members. Term length is 10 years. It's a statewide nonpartisan election. Chief Justice election, the justice elects one among themselves to serve as Chief Justice for a 2-year term. They have staggered elections, which ensure continuity. They're, in theory, a nonpartisan election, but given that the GOP is dumping tons of money in Wisconsin right now, feeling like it's not super nonpartisan. The Chief Justice oversees the court's administration and represents the judiciary in official capacity. Functions and responsibilities. This is very important for the Wisconsin Supreme Court. They have both appellate and administrative responsibilities. Hearing cases on appeal, they review cases and decide whether there's any constitutional questions. They have a lot of discretion as to decide which cases they'll actually review. And the cases typically arrive at the Supreme Court after they've gone through the appeals court. Ensuring legal uniformity, the court ensures that laws are applied consistently. They give a lot of guidance to lower courts so that it makes sense all the way up. And a lot of the decisions they make definitely open the door or close the door to bad legislation that can be put forth by special interests in the legislature. They also oversee the legal system. They oversee the state's legal professions, and they also deal with judicial ethics. They can issue administrative rules governing Wisconsin's court system. Basically, these are the house rules that they're playing with, and they play a role in setting what policies the lower courts are probably going to be dealing with, because the judge is going to be like, I'm not going to hear this because it's not going to go anywhere. Why it matters. This is important. It plays a crucial role in shaping state policy. And the justices are elected officials. So, the voters have a say. This is what we can do, right? And the key legal issues that are coming up, and these are the ones that they're going to be dealing with, it's going to be labor, and it's going to be reproductive protections and rights, and redistricting. All incredibly important. The redistricting alone affects how we're represented in government. So that one's huge. Of course, labor protection's also huge. And then reproductive rights. I can't believe we're still fighting over this, but this is the thing. So that's pretty much my quick and dirty on the Wisconsin Supreme Court. I'll have a few more shows about the decisions that are likely to be made in those courts. My friend Brad's going to help me out with that. And then, so this might turn into a short series. All right. Well, everyone have a great day. Talk to you later.